In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple per page in Canva. If you're creating labels, flashcards, or small inserts, the trick is to export the right file and then print it so several copies land on a single sheet. Start by opening your design in Canva. In the top right corner, click Share. This opens a panel with all your export and collaboration options. From here, choose Download to prepare a file you can print. In the Download settings, open the File Type menu. Select PDF Print. This format keeps your graphics sharp and text crisp, which is important when you scale or repeat designs on a page. If your artwork runs to the edge, and you've set up bleed in your design, PDF Print preserves that too. Before you move on, double-check your design's dimensions in the editor so the printed size matches what you expect. Leave a safe margin for anything important, and keep backgrounds or color blocks extending past the edge if you're using bleed. This helps avoid white slivers when trimming. Next, decide which pages you want to include. Use the Select Pages option to pick a single page you want to repeat, or choose all pages if you're producing a set. This gives you control over exactly what ends up in the final document. When you're ready, click Download. Canva will generate a high-resolution PDF and save it to your device. Now, this is where the multiple per page part typically happens. Open the PDF in your preferred viewer or your printer's software, and in the print dialog, look for layout options such as multiple, pages per sheet, or NUp. Choose how many copies you want on each page, adjust margins and scale as needed, and then print. Because you exported as PDF print, everything should remain clean and legible, even when duplicated on a single sheet. A quick tip: use actual size rather than fit to page to keep dimensions accurate, and do a test print on plain paper before you commit to your final stock. If you'd rather have everything professionally produced, you can also use Canva's printing service. From the same Share menu, choose Print with Canva. Follow the prompts to select your product options, and when you're asked about paper, choose premium paper for a sturdy, high-quality finish. Continue through the setup to confirm your choices, review the preview, and proceed to checkout when everything looks good. Canva will handle alignment, trimming, and delivery, which is ideal if you don't want to manage printer settings yourself. That's it. Export your design as PDF print, select the pages you need, download, and set multiple per page in your printer's dialog, or use Print with Canva for a done-for-you solution. Thanks for watching and happy printing.